I'm going to talk about the most important receptor protein pathways in cells. Here is some background information. A G protein link receptor works with the help of a G protein, which binds the molecule GTP. G proteins act as a relay protein that carry messages to the appropriate location. G protein link receptors are attachment points for ligands. They change shape when proper ligands attach, which makes phosphorylation possible. All cells have G protein receptors. They allow cells to interact and respond to their environments. So firstly, we have a G protein loosely attached to the cell membrane. This acts as an on-off switch. When GDP is bound to the G protein is inactive. When a ligand attaches to the receptor here, it becomes active and changes shape. The cytoplasmic side binds an inactive protein, so this attaches to the G protein receptor, which causes GTP to replace GDP. This G protein is now active. The active G protein leaves the receptor, so it's not attached to this anymore, but it is now bound to an enzyme. Once the enzyme is active, it triggers the next step to cellular response. The changes in the enzyme and the G protein are only temporary because the G protein also functions as a GT phase enzyme. Now this is inactive again. The G protein leaves the enzyme, so it comes back to this state. This is replaced again by GDP, and the G protein is now available for reuse. The GTP phase function of the G protein allows the pathway to shut down rapidly when the signaling molecule is no longer present.